Hi, I'm Sue, and today we're going to talk about this pasta press from KitchenAid. So this press comes with 6 different pasta plates. You can make anything from spaghetti to macaroni to rigatoni, and it goes on from there. And each of these plates are labeled with exactly what you can make with it. So the first thing you need to do, you put the auger in. It's very easy. You just slip it in here. It's got a little cross pattern here, a little puzzle piece that you can put right down in there. And then you pick out which gear you want to use. Do you want to use spaghetti, small macaroni, large macaroni, rigatoni, or any other thing? I use the curly pasta. So that's all you do. Put this on. Then you take the gear, you put it in here. And now it's ready to use. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make the pasta. I'm going to use my dough hook on my KitchenAid mixer. Then I'm going to let the dough rest for a half hour before I use it. Now I just start pressing the pasta out. It's that easy. I hope you like this pasta press as much as I do.